Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. Focus. Encourage one another and build one another up, just as you are doing. It is easy to tease, judge, look down on, indulge in name calling, or talk negatively about others. It takes effort to respect, to have unconditional positive regard for, to empathize, and to support them. Is it not astonishing that even the demon identified and recognized Jesus? Although the unclean spirit knew what Jesus could do to him, he addressed him with respect. How do we talk to our loved ones or friends at home, in our neighborhood or workplace? Do we tend to mock them with derisive names, perhaps expressing unconscious resentment, thus pulling them down instead of building them up? Jesus always encouraged and inspired people through his words and actions. As followers of Jesus, should we not do likewise? It is our duty to build people up, starting in our own family and then in the community and workplace. This positive attitude should extend even to strangers in the market or when dealing with the marginalized. For example, how do I treat migrant workers, restaurant waiters, and service staff? Do I find out their names and address them by name as a mark of respect? Come to think of it, there are several ways in which I can build people up rather than bring them down. Fruit. Starting today, I will try and use words of respect, encouragement, and appreciation to build people up.